Welcome to our interior design tutorial on decorating your walls with creative and stunning wall art. Today, we'll explore various techniques and components to transform your space into a personalized gallery. Let's start with the basics. Your canvas is your blank canvas, pun intended. It's where your artistic vision will come to life. Choose a size and shape that complements your wall space. Once your canvas is stretched, it's time to think about framing. A frame adds structure and enhances the presentation of your artwork. Select a frame that complements your decor style. Now, let's talk about hanging your artwork. Depending on the weight and size of your piece, you may use hooks, nails, or adhesive strips. Make sure to measure and level for a professional finish. For a three-dimensional display, consider using spacer blocks or display shelves. These components add depth and visual interest to your wall art arrangement. To protect your artwork, especially if it's exposed to elements like moisture or dust, consider using glass or acrylic sheets. These materials offer a transparent barrier while maintaining visibility. For a modern and versatile display option, explore hanging rail systems or metal wire grid panels. These systems allow you to easily rearrange and update your wall art arrangement. Lastly, if you're feeling adventurous, experiment with epoxy resin. This material can add a glossy finish or create unique textures on your artwork surface. With these components and techniques, you have everything you need to elevate your wall art game and turn your space into a gallery-worthy masterpiece. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.